Hey guys, Krystal here again. So, as far as bathroom updates, my husband bought this like makeshift bidet thing about a year ago. We weren't gonna put it in. I told him we were at some point, but I didn't want it in our house. I thought it was weird. We went to India in January for 2 weeks. Every single bathroom, every toilet has like a sprayer to really like clean yourself. And once we got over the culture shock, we were like, okay, maybe we try it. Didn't think about it again. When Salas came to do the shower in our bathroom, I had them install it too. So he sent me this video using it for like, I don't know, 20 seconds. Way longer than I thought one should use it. Glass guy, you can search him. It's my husband. So yeah, don't do it yourself though. Imagine we had done it ourselves. We would have had like leaking floors or like having to replace drywall. Not worth it. Support local and hire a professional.